Hey guys, how's it going? It's Zach with Toasty DIY here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeelight LED Screen Light Bar Pro. So this is a really cool addition to any single setup, no matter what you use it for, whether it's work, gaming, it can just fit any setup. So for me personally, I have kind of a dark office here, so having any source of light definitely helps out. So we're just going to go ahead and just jump right into this. I actually already have it set up and everything. I've been using it for about a day now, just so I can build a better idea of how it works and give the best review possible. So this is it in use right here. The cool thing about it is it has a RGB light strip on the back that kind of just illuminates the wall behind it. I have my window open and my light on, so it doesn't give the best picture of what it could look like. I'll get some more video of that later so you can see how good it is. The main selling feature, though, is the light bar underneath, which is controlled by this nice battery-powered remote control. And so just tapping it once will turn it on, and then you can just slide this to control the brightness. Another really cool thing about it is if you press down and slide, it changes the temperature, or at least it should. I think I turned it off by accident. If you press down and spin, it'll change the temperature from warm to cold, which is very cool. So if you have, a lot of warmer lights in your setup and not these bright ones, then, you can change that to warm, or you can keep them on the nice white LED. I personally keep my brightness pretty low on it, just enough to kind of illuminate my keyboard and my workspace in case I'm doing homework or classwork and stuff like that. The really nice thing about it too is even though it has this really bright light shining down, it does not show on the monitor whatsoever. Once I focused here, you can see you actually can't really see anything if I turn up the brightness all the way. There's no glare or illumination off the monitor, which is very, very cool in my opinion. As far as putting it together goes, it's a very, very simple process. It's just this power goes straight into the mount of it. So it's just kind of like a rubber weighted mount. It's very flexible. You can move it around, do whatever with, but it does not fall off, and that's all we're really looking for in case you have to adjust and everything. It's nice to be able to have that not clamped on 24/7. For the power, it's just this simple little power plug-in, and the light bar itself is actually a magnetic kind of like pogo pin where it just kind of slots into place, so it's very easy to install. You just kind of slide it in, twist, and it's in. As far as controlling this light bar, the main source is going to be this remote control. It's battery powered. It's very simple to use and everything. If you do, my cat's a little special. If you do want to do more, minute tuning and things like that, you can use USB power instead. I have this as just plug into a power adapter, but you can run it to a PC and download Overwolf or Razer Synapse and use that software to control it, or you can download an app. I personally don't recommend the app too much. I downloaded it hoping I could do some scenes or like specific RGB transitions on the light strip. Unfortunately, you could only do solid colors from what I could see, so there's not really anything too cool you can do with it. But if you have a color theme like white, red, or blue, and you just want it to be a solid color 24/7, that'd be a great way to control that. After using this thing for a couple of days, I highly recommend it. I think it's a great addition to any setup, as I previously said. It's very cool to use and just kind of brightens up every step, adds some flair behind it. It's just a nice little addition. It comes in at $69 USD, I believe. I think the only places you can get it right now are AliExpress, Taobao, those sorts of places. I don't know anywhere else where you can get it and it'll ship to the West. I could be wrong, but that's just from what I've seen. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a like and a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave one down below. I'll respond to it the best I can. But see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace out.